Tonight, Ultimate Fighting returns to St. Augustine. That's right, mixed martial arts. Rumble in the ancient city. Tonight at the Catalinas Gymnasium, located in historic downtown St. Augustine. Doors open at 5. Fights start at 6. Rumble in the ancient city. Knockouts, tap-outs, and beatdowns. All at Rumble in the ancient city. It all goes down tonight at 6. Rumble in the ancient city. This event is brought to you by Dead Game Fight School, the United States Marine Corps, A1 Trapper Man, Roland Sound of St. Augustine, and Mardi Gras Sports Bar. A portion of the proceeds will go to benefit the AAMMA Student Athlete College Scholarship Fund. Rumble in the ancient city. Tonight, Catalinas Gymnasium, downtown St. Augustine.